Hello everyone, welcome to the iRobot Automation YouTube channel. Uh, in this video we are going to discuss the topics of week number 2, that is 4 weeks internship program organized by VTU Bosch Rexroth iRobot Automation. In this video we are going to discuss the topic of rising edge and falling edge detections. It is quite useful in the PLC programming. Let us discuss on that. So I'm going to directly open the Indralogic. How to create a project in Indralogic, then adding library, then adding inline output or input outputs. Please refer the previous videos. Okay, so the topic is now rising edge and falling edge. So I'll take one digital input, that is, for example, start, then address percentage ix 0.0. Then I'll go to the function block. You should find the standard library. If it is missing, then refer my previous video how to add the standard library. So the section called trigger. So in the trigger, rising edge and falling edge is there. So first of all, I'll take the falling edge detection. That is FD1. You can take it, falling edge detection. Then don't type any address here because we are going to declare the entire function block. Just click OK. But if you cancel it, you will get an error. Just click on OK. So that FD1 is declared as falling edge detection or falling edge trigger. And if you take output, say LED, let's say output percentage QX 0.0. Okay, so whenever you're using falling edge or rising edge detectors, you have to use a set instruction because it generates a very short time pulse, that is just like a blink. Okay, so you cannot see that. So to retain the output of falling edge detection, I must use like set. There's a set instruction is there. Okay, and to reset the data, that is to switch off LED, you have to use another button. So you know how to use set and reset function by this time by referring the previous videos. So I'll use another button called stop, another input, that is percentage ix 0.1, and then I'll use reset coil. And what is the variable name? Same LED. So that means drag and drop on this here. So here variable is same. Okay, this is set, this is reset. So when it is going to set, by operating start button, means we'll have a discussion on that. Okay, so now go to simulation mode and then login and then go to run mode. Falling edge means, see for example, when input is on, output is not on. When input is low, means off, then only output is generated. When input is low, then it generates output. So that is why it is called falling edge detection. It is going to sense the switch off of the button. Okay, when it is going to off, we are going to generate a signal. This is useful in many application, tank filling application. It is quite useful. Okay, I am going to repeat once again. Now when you press stop, then only you are going to erase the data or switch off the output LED. Okay, I'm going to repeat again. Double click on start button, control F7. When input is on, output is not on. When input is off, then only it is going to generate output. So if you want to switch off LED, then press stop button, then release it. So this is how you can use the falling edge detection. Application we will discuss in the next videos. Okay, so now next topic is rising edge detection. I'll delete the function block, click on the network one and then go to function block and then rising edge you take it. So rising edge name, for example, RD1, rising edge detection 1. Then don't type any address here. This is we are declaring the function block. So click on OK. So now successfully declared RD1 as rising edge detection. So everything other things are same. So we have to use set coil. and then to reset the coil again we have to use another input. So let us discuss the working. Online login, run. Here rising edge means whenever input is high, output is high. Even input is off also not a matter. At the time of on it is going to switch on. Okay. So when you press stop, it is going to reset. Okay. Say for example input is on, output is on immediately. Okay. Say assume that the start button is continuously pressed it. So but when you press stop, it is going to switch off. So see, even though start button is on, output is not on. That means it takes at the time of start only, means at the time when freshly input is on, at that time only it will generate output. Many application it is useful. So these are rising edge detection. Okay, when input is high, then output is, it generates an output. Okay, so remember you have to use set and reset coil when you are using triggers. Okay, or latching circuit or holding circuit you can use it. So this is how we can use the triggers, rising edge and falling edge. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you everyone. Subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.